In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a slow motion video in Capcut. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and find Capcut. There it is. Open it up and you'll just get some ads here, so I'll have to wait for these ads. But it's really easy to make this slow motion video in Capcut. Okay, so I'll close that ad and there's another one. I'll just wait for this. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, close the ad and then I'll just select new project and then I'll select a video that I made and click on add. Okay, good. So right now you can see this is my video, and what you want to do is go to adjust, and what you want to adjust, let's see if it has speed here. Okay, it doesn't have speed there, so I'm going to go back and then click on edit and then go to speed, and then I'll go to the curve, which is 3 uses, and I'll go to custom. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can delete duplicate photos on your Samsung phone. Custom, and then you just drag this down like this and it'll go to a really slow speed. Okay, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can delete duplicate photos on your Samsung. Okay, so you can see that went to really slow motion. You can leave it something like that and then you can save that video. So if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to this channel.